Morning, everybody. Hope everybody had a great time last night with Halloween. I did not. I was at work doing the workflow thing, but yeah, hope everybody had fun. I am on my way to go meet up with some friends, and we are going to go to Holkham Beach up in like northeast London, or not London, forgive me, England, northeast England. So it should be a lot of fun. It's gonna be a good time. Brought in the camera so we can get some good footage and see a lot of good stuff. So follow along. I don't know if anybody's tried these things, but they're actually really good. I just picked one up this morning. It's called Rockstar Revolt. It's like kind of citrusy. They call it the killer citrus. It's actually pretty good. I dig it. I love it. It's pretty awesome. But like I was saying, going to be meeting up with some friends. We're going to go up to Holkham Beach, which is a little bit northeast of here. It's probably going to take us about 45 minutes to an hour to get there. It should be a lot of fun. Going to get some good seafood while we're up there too. Which I'm looking forward to because I love seafood, and we're getting it right on the beach too. So a lot of people didn't want to go to this or thought it was stupid. I don't want to say didn't want to go. Thought it was stupid that we're going to go up to a beach when it's like kind of rainy outside. It's foggy. As you can see, like this is the kind of weather that we're dealing with here today. It's like really, really crappy weather. But you know what? I was told when I first got here, they said don't let the weather get you down. Get out and travel and see things, because if you rely on the weather to be good, then you won't get out and see anything. So yeah. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to get on the road, we're going to go travel, and we're going to go see things. You know what's crazy is that it actually didn't take me that long to get adjusted to driving on the other side of the road and the other side of the car. Probably about a week, if that. And yes, I did curb the ever-living hell out of the rental car I had, just because like your depth perception is completely off when you are driving, and you got to worry about your corner over there versus your corner on the other side. So yeah, it was a lot of fun. Definitely made sure I got the extra insurance on the rental car before I got it, because I knew that was probably going to happen. And lo and behold, yeah, it happened. So for us Americans and weirdos, driving on the other end of the car and the other side of the road, it is a complete, you're just like, what the hell, when you first get here. But now that I've been driving like this is actually more natural to me than driving on the other side. Even when I watch movies or play video games, and I see people driving on the other side, like what we have in the U.S. and everything like that, it looks odd to me because I'm not used to seeing that now, because this has become the new norm for me. So yeah, it's pretty crazy, but a lot of fun. I'm gonna try to see if I can find myself an old vintage car while I'm here to bring back, like an old Rover or like a BMW E30, like right side drive. Would be pretty cool. Like an M3, an older M3 would be awesome. show you guys what that's like afterwards. So it is super windy here, so I don't know if you're going to be able to actually even hear me, but we're about ready to walk up on the opening of the beach right here. Good Lord. Yeah, they said if it's low tide, the water will be like way out there, as you guys can kind of see. Like, yeah, this is pretty sweet out here. Pretty freaking sweet. You having fun, Croft?
Yeah. I don't know when that thing's on or when it's not.
It's on right now. You in the vlog now. You're in the vlog. So the dude actually said that the water comes up all the way to his truck, all the way out there. It's pretty sweet. Hey, say hi, Brian. Oh, you want to come out here, do some archery? Do some guns? Break some AR-15s, have some fun?
Just fucking blowtorch.
Just like name weapons.
It's the weird in between. Oh my God, it's so cold.
TM did. I feel like we should just go on the Arctic. That means I only have more ocean left.
Jeez, dude, this wind is ridiculous.
And there's still more walking.
Camera probably has horrible sound, can't hear any of our voices. And there's more walking to do. So at 6 o'clock today, or tonight, all of this that you're about to see is all going to be water. As you can see, like there's already a little bit of like water lines and everything like that where the water used to be. I'm going to keep walking out.
I gotta get a hand.
You getting a pano? Oh, heck yeah. So we're almost there. Almost there. I don't know, it started like spitting stuff out. I'm totally gonna get right up on this as it's coming in. So here we are. We have made it to a beach in England, and yes, it's cold as hell out here. It's super, super windy. But here we are. We made it. We made it. Ah! And now we're about to go, like, actually get in it. Just kidding, just kidding. Totally not gonna do that. Stupid idea. Oh man, so that was an adventure. Did you have fun?
I had a good time, man.
Yeah, man, it was good. We just got back from eating some awesome food, and now we're heading back home.
Oh shit, I had that there the whole time.
So we just got back to the base, and so we're gonna take a ride in my boy's sweet freaking car.
No, dude.
Hey, you want to do a?
You left the damn door open? 'Cause
Yeah.
I came up and the door was cracked enough, so the light
Oh,
was
the
on.
battery die?
Yeah.
Oh man, I was gonna be like all about that cold start. Well, you need me. Do you have jumper cables? I mean,
Oh, no, I was just gonna look at the engine.
Let's check this thing out. Crazy awesome engine.
Yeah. Let's see where the fucking turbo's at. There's the intake on it.
All right, so Josh's car, Croft's car didn't want to start, so we ended up just calling it a night. So yeah, it was a great time today. Had a lot of fun. You guys got to come with us and check out the beach there. That is Holkham Beach is where we went today. And yeah, it was a pretty awesome time. It was really cold out there, but as you guys got to see, it's really pretty, really wide open space, and that was at low tide. But yeah, it was a great time. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. And also, just like and subscribe, comment below if there's something that you guys wanted to see more of while I'm here in England. I'm taking trips all the time. I do have a trip planned on Tuesday to go to Stonehenge with one of my buddies. That's going to be a nice 5-hour drive because that's actually on the west side of England. So where I live on the east side, like the eastern coast, because that drive only took us about an hour today. So yeah, it's going to be a fun time. So stay tuned. It's going to be an awesome time. So we will check that out and you guys will see it. So awesome. So stay tuned, guys. Have a good one.